guys, Bill Gaming, and today we are going to be doing the sorry about that, it's pretty loud, I guess. We're going to be doing the Devil's Hour challenge. We are going to be playing Animal Jam and Roblox on the Devil's Hour. And someone's out of my dad. Is that you, Titus? Is that you, Green Buds? Is that you? We're going to be doing the Devil's Hour challenge. I'm thinking about trying to spawn the last jammer. I know you can't see it now. Yeah, I'll go to Google. What time is it? Look at, as you can see, oh gosh. Oh no, you can't see it. No! Uh-oh, that's bad. Can't see it. That's so bad. It's 2:02 a.m. What time zone? See, 3:02. Okay. Oh gosh, my sleepover done. Okay, I'm going to my enchanted board wreck. So we're going to be trying to spawn the last jammer, because why not? It's the Devil's Hour. And so I'm just going to be storming around Animal Jam for a bit, and then to Roblox, and see if anything weird happens while. And my back's already kind of getting cold here, I don't know why. So yeah, this is pretty creepy. Yeah. And yeah, hopefully something happens. Let's go into my small house den real quick. My empty one? Oh, no. No. Not my empty one. Okay. I have multiple small houses, so tons of them. Okay, here's my empty one. So we're going to be spawning the last jammers, are we? So let's get the items. Well, some of the items. There's different ways to spawn the last jammer. Here's how I would usually spawn him. This one worked for me before. Don't talk about that. I'm recording. And move. Get off the tomb. Move. Thank you. I know it's pretty bold for you, so I just gotta turn on the music. And yeah. Anyway, guys. Okay, let's find the black paint. You know, like how the last time was made out of like black demonic stuff. Well, that's what the black paint is supposed to be representing. So I'm just gonna be adding that all around. Adding the footprints into it, aka him going into his grave. And then we're going to be adding, if I can find it. Let's go look up candle. This it's not popping up. Okay, it's all the way over there. That's nice. Candle right in front of it. We're going to be going to my furniture. As you can see, I am very low on gems, so I'm just going to recycle, or not recycle, sell some of my diamonds for gems. That doesn't matter anymore. You guys must have one. We have the memory data expanding actually. So fewer just gems now, all the time. So gems, no, I mean actually both by now. So yeah. Okay. Then we get some Eddie's frying babies. Or at least 4 of them. We're spawning the last jammer. It's 3 a.m. for Pete's sake. It's the Devil's Hour for Pete's sake. What do you think we're doing? This is gonna be storming around expecting something. The last jammer's gonna pop up because it's 3 a.m. No, you gotta do no. Okay. Tiger, move. That green butts. Okay, thank you. Okay, lost. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Now we wait to see if anything happens. Oh gosh, I'm scared. Okay, no. Okay, no. Yeah. No, don't leave me here. Now we leave that there, and since we have, supposedly we're what's happening by now. No, hello, you're in the den when I did this spawning, so weird stuff's gonna happen to you too. Plus, also it's spam, so weird stuff's gonna happen to you anyway. Even more weird stuff's gonna happen, cause I just spawned the lost gem. Oh gosh. I'm already getting chills, like my back's like feeling like weird, like some kind of pain. It's like weird, oh my gosh. I have like pillows all over. Pillows. All over. Just pillows. Life is just a pillow. Oh, them pillows. Okay. Woo, spooked. Now it's 3:07. Pillows all over, guys. Pillows all over. So we're just gonna be playing around for a bit, and once the clock hits, let's say at least 3:20, we're gonna, or no, let's say 3:50, and we're gonna be moving on to roblox. Already, guys, what stuff's happening right now, by the way? Like, I'm getting like back aches, like my back kind of feels like some kind of pain. Like something's up with my back. I feel like something's behind me. Like my back is aching. It's like kind of hurts. I don't know. And yeah. Oh, spicy. Okay then. Oh. Yeah, spicy. Hold on. I got it like a minute ago. If you couldn't hear that, did you hear that? Like, I don't know if you could hear that, guys, but that was weird. And Devil's House. So why am I saying? Oh, it's weird. But oh, okay, unlocked. And officially. Try now. As you can see, guys, right now I'm a hot mess, like super sleepy right now. The back of my hip, like my bottom hip, like back, bottom hip, like on my back, like the bottom of my back, where my hip is, the back of my hip. Like, I'm confused with this, I don't know. Yeah, it's pretty weird. And chills. Okay. Happy Hayden. I sent you a friend request on your spell. Okay. Oh jeez. I'm super sleepy right now. I really gotta go sleep. I really want to sleep. That's all I want to do now is sleep. Okay. Oh gosh. I feel like it wants to close up, that's weird. I guess. Already, to me, weird stuff is happening to me. Lovely. Hey, you wanna do it? So it's me sitting in this den for a bit. How about we can I can give you items, why not? Let's play Scoot. Let's play Scoot.